Hello students, today we are going to solve 25th problem. Question is given as a camera with focal length of 20 centimeter fitted in an aircraft is used for taking vertical aerial photographs of a terrain. It means that the focal length small f is given as 20 centimeter. The average elevation of the terrain is 1200 meter above MSL. It means that small h value is given as 1200 meter above MSL. What is the height above MSL at which an aircraft must fly in order to get the aerial photographs at an scale of 1 raised to 8000? It means that we need to find the capital H value if the scale is given as 1 by 8000. Okay. Now we know the formula of scale. It will be equals to F upon H minus H. On putting the value of scale as 1 by 8000 and focal length as 20 into 10 to the power minus 2, because we had converted the focal length in terms of meter, we need to find the value of capital H, and the small h value is given as 1200 meter. On solving this, we will get the capital H value as 2800 meter. That will be the height above MSL at which an aircraft must fly. That will be equals to 2800 meter. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.